Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and look what I got in the mail today. It's the bargain bead box for December of 2023. So before we get into this, I just want to say a few words about bargain bead box. I have been getting bargain bead box since they first started having bargain bead box. I have loved most everything I've gotten. There's been a few things that are like, but then when I start creating with them, I actually liked what I got. So it's hard sometimes to judge something. You can't, judge a book by its cover, basically. Anyway, sadly, this is going to be my last bargain bead box, at least for now. We're trying to cut back on a lot of things. We're all kind of in the same boat. Things are getting so expensive right now. And we're actually getting ready to retire here in a few years. And we're just starting to cut back a little bit. Not just financially, but just by stuff that we have. I am starting to kind of declutter things. And anyway, one of the things that I am pausing on for now are all my subscriptions to any bead stuff. Now that being said, if I do come across opportunity to get some really different beads somewhere, for instance, if we go on a cruise to Puerto Rico and I go to a bead shop, I'm probably going to buy some beads. But to get monthly subscriptions for the year of 2024, I'm putting a pause on everything. It's going to be so hard. Anyway, let's see what's in this box this month. So as normal, comes in a bubble mailer. They wrap it up really nicely here. Always a really nice presentation. This is a really pretty organza bag. So my guess is we've got some blues in here. We have a little sheet here, tells everything that's in it. And the approximate value of this is $83.82. And this month, Sparkling Snowfall is the theme. So it's a winter wonderland, and Appetite Teardrop Pendant is this month's centerpiece. I love Appetite. With microfaceted 3mm Appetite rounds, a strand of 8mm blue agate, and dyed tiger iron to match, icy accents of crystal, glass, and gemstone combined with a set of snowy silver findings to complete the collection. And they've just started putting these little labels. They usually just have a number that coincides with the number on this. But last few shipments, they actually have what's in it and how much it would be if you were to buy just this. So I really like that. Also, as normal, you receive a 30% off coupon code for if you are subscribed to Bargain Bead Box each month. And they do have a contest each month. They have a $50 gift certificate for their sister store, Beadbox Bargains. Anyway, let's see what we have here. And I am not going to go in the order of this. I'm just going to randomly choose and see what's in these little baggies. So the first thing we have here, stainless steel 3x2mm curb chain. We have a meter. Retail value is $3.99. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. This is very lightweight. And I like stainless steel. It does not turn. Okay, we've got some more metal here. This is a 28x11mm stainless steel laser cut triple snowflake link. Retails at $3.99. That'll make a nice bracelet. Very shiny. That's one thing about stainless steel. It is really shiny. Isn't that pretty? Okay, next thing we have here, got some more metal. These are 12mm stainless steel snowflake cutouts, links. So there are some more links. Whoops. There's 2 of them, $1.99. So again, you can make this a link, maybe on a bracelet or a necklace or earrings. You can hang them like this and drop a little something at the bottom. And then the next thing I'm going to open up are these 20 by 12mm swirled toggle clasps, antique silver, and there's 4 sets. 4 sets? Wow, okay. Those are nice. They always have toggles. By the way, if you're interested in getting your own bargain bead box, I will leave a coupon code in the description box below. It's Flamingo, so you can get a little bit of a discount. I have noticed that some of you have used that coupon code, and I appreciate your support, and I bet you're really happy with what you're getting, because I know I always am. So we have a 5x2 rondelle spacer beads, lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free, 10 grams. And this would be a $2.99 value. Those are nice. Get these all put back in here. And the next thing, while I'm getting this all in here, looks like some bead caps, 8mm, is that 6-petal bead caps, lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free. There's 40 pieces, $2.99 value. And I love bead caps. Aren't those pretty? I started loving bead caps when I first started getting bargain bead box. All right, and we'll just stick with the metal stuff. 6x7mm hematite man-made snowflake beads, silver, 20 pieces, $3.99. Okay. I don't understand the man-made hematite, because hematite is actually a really fun stone. When I first started making jewelry, I used to use hematite a lot. It's very affordable. It is not magnetic, just to let you know. I don't know why they're calling this hematite. It's just because it's man-made. So I don't understand what they mean by that. They are pretty. There's the hole. And they're very lightweight. So they're not made, I don't think they're made from hematite. So I don't know what man-made hematite is. Because hematite, like I said, is a natural stone. Maybe I should do a video on that sometime. All right. I think that's all the metal. Oh, no, we got these. So we have a 14x12mm platinum plated brass snowflake cutout charms, 2 pieces, $3.99. Oh, these sweet little charms. Oh, those would make nice little tiny earrings for my dolls or for little ears or for people who just like small things. Wouldn't that be sweet to hang off of a little simple chain? Those are pretty. Or, we're going to open this next. You could hang it off of that. Ooh, that would be nice. This right here is so pretty. Approximately 39mm apatite teardrop pendant, $7.99. Everybody's is going to be different. I love mine. It reminds me of the deep blue sea. That is so pretty. It's got a really nice luster to it too. I don't know if you can tell that on the video, but it's very lustery. All right, look at these. This reminds me of tropical too. I mean, we had all the metal and snowflakes and stuff, but to me this is looking tropical now. Ooh, those are cool. So they're 22 by 20 teal coated fan pendant, lead free, nickel free, cadmium free, 2 pieces, $1.99. Ooh, I love those. Those are really nice. Love this color. Like I said, very tropical. Okay. These are interesting. Ooh. Little teardrops. Okay, what are these? 13 by 9 millimeter glass top drilled teardrop beads, crystal AB, 5.5 inches, $2.99. Ooh, those are pretty. Oh, make a nice bracelet. So they're top drilled. Those are nice. They look like little teardrops. Maybe little water droplets. I like those a lot. All right, what's next? 8 millimeter London blue agate dyed heated round beads, 14.5 inches, $9.99. These are pretty. Again, reminds me of the deep blue sea. Oh, how pretty. Those are gorgeous. And then, ooh, these are pretty. These remind me of mermaid beads. 6 millimeter moonstone glass round beads, frosted aqua, 7.5 inches, $6.99. Ooh, look at those. They have a little bit of an AB on there. Did it say AB? Doesn't, but it very much looks like AB. All right, this next thing is a 10 millimeter tiger iron dyed round beads, 7 inches, $5.99. I don't know if I've heard of tiger iron. I have to look that up. I've never heard of that before. Am I the only one that's never heard of that? They look familiar though. Oh, that's pretty. They kind of have a little bit of a brown to them. Those are really pretty. Got some good weight to them too. All right, we have 4 more things left. 14 by 8.5 crystal faceted twist beads, slate blue iris, 10 pieces, $3.99. Ooh, aren't those pretty? We've gotten beads like this before in different colors. They're really pretty. I love the cut on them. I don't know if you can see how they're cut. They have a nice flash to them. And then we have 6 millimeter crackle agate, dyed heated, frosted round beads, 13 inches, $6.99. I have the hardest time opening these bags. Oh, these are pretty. Now this does remind me of snow. They've got all this blue that reminded me of the ocean. This reminds me of the snow. But you know what? It also kind of reminds me of, you know, the foam on the waves when it comes splashing down. Of course, my mind always goes to the ocean. All right, these 4 millimeter crystal faceted bicone beads, crystal AB, 13 inches, $3.99. Ooh, I don't know if you heard that. We got a sneezer in the house. Ooh, aren't those pretty? Look at that. Ooh, I love the bling on that. I know a lot of you don't like bicones, but you know what? Look at that. Those are really pretty. I like them. I like anything that blings. And then the last thing we have here, 3 millimeter apatite faceted round beads, 7.5 inches, $6.99. Look at these. Aren't those pretty? Again, I don't know if it's not flashing. Well, yeah, you can see it flash. Look at that. These are pretty. Apatite is really a pretty stone. Well, I am really excited to do some creating. Don't know what I'm going to do to look through these. So stay tuned. And again, this is my last bargain bead box, at least for now. I'm kind of sad. I've been getting it for how long? I think it's since 2015. So we're talking 9 years. That's a long time. Anyway, thanks for joining me today, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.